Pinnacle VideoSpin, Pinnacle Studio, Picture and Muvee, OpenShot Video Editor, Muvy Editor, NewsCutter Adrenaline, Newsbox, Nero Vision, MyDVD, Muvy NLE, Muvee Reveal 8, Muvee AutoProducer 6, MPEG-VCR, MPEG Video Wizard DVD, MPEG Video Wizard, MPEG editXpress, Muvee Edit Pro, Muvee, Montage Extreme, Media Composer, Manual Shake Smoother, AVS, Lightworks, Kdenlive, Jahshaka, Ingex, iMovie, HD Suite, FORscene, FinalCut Pro, FinalCut Express, Encore, Edius, D3D, Creator, Clesh, Cinelerra, Blender, AVS Video Editor, AviSynth, Avid Symphony, Avid DS, Autodesk, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Premiere Express, Adobe Premiere Elements.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.